Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing fine. Today I'm going to show you how to make a scarf. This is a simpler way of doing the crochet. I'm using double crochet. You just yarn over, stitch, yarn over, stitch, yarn over, stitch.
In the still of the morning, I rise to pray, thankful for the love.
It's the simplest, and I started with 18 stitches. Yani nilitumia mshipi. Kwanza nilianza na mshipi wa 18 stitches, and I'm using double crochet. This is a scarf for a school girl, my daughter, who is in grade 7, and their school theme is green, white and gray. The sweater is green, the tall shirt is white, and the lower skirt is gray. So she requested me I make for her a scarf, and this is what I'm doing right now. It's very simple. I'm using a double crochet, and I'm using a robin yarn, and I'm using this needle, yarning needle. So it's very simple. You just have to yarn over, stitch, double crochet, and within 5 days, if I'm not all that busy, this thing, it will take only 5 days. Yeah, depending with the size, you can do the stitches that you want when you're starting the scarf, depending with the size that you want. So for me, I stitched 18 stitches when making the mshipi, yani ile mshipi ya kwanza kushona nayo, depending on how you want it, the pattern to be. But I'm going to finish it with a very extra pattern. It's a simple thing, but I'm going to put decoration on it, but using the same yarn, green, because I'm going with the theme of the school uniform. Let's continue crochet and finish the scarf. So in case you want me to make for you any crochet, be it romper, be it a dress, be it a scarf, be it a muffin, hit my inbox, and I'll be ready to make for you whatever you like. Yeah, so let's continue doing it until the end. We see the outcome. I love you so much, and thank you for your support. Continue subscribing and follow me on TikTok, and God bless you so much. Let's finish the scarf. Let's continue making it. So it will be so beautiful.
Hello, sister.
Now, guys, I decided to crack some jokes with you.
Yeah,
There's no need of
How many
being
years
so
was that
gloomy.
picture taken?
listen to this job as
29
we
years.
make our scarf until
29
the
years
end.
ago.
I love you. Don't
Hey,
forget
I'm
to like this
29
video,
years
share, and
ago. Why is
comment.
it
In case
29
of
here? I'm
want
not
to
Madam,
see
when did you
any
take this photo? This
crochet,
pizza? When did you take
or
it?
anything, don't
my
hesitate to
photo. It's my
hit my
photo now.
inbox.
What is wrong with
Oh,
you?
click on my
Nothing is wrong
Facebook.
with
It's
It's
on
me.
my
my
Then you,
YouTube
photo.
channel.
it's okay. How old are you? How old
Write
are
me
you?
anything that you want me.
My
Order anything that you
Miaka
want
is
me to
29 years. I
crochet
miss
for
Miaka is my
you. Continue
mind.
with the
Okay, what country are you
laughing.
from?
Laugh until the end as we
I'm
finish our
from Kenya.
scarf.
Okay, what county?
County?
Yeah.
Nairobi County.
Speak Nairobi language for me.
Namna gani? Mimi natoka Nairobi. What is you saying now? English is in I'm not English now.
Okay,
English
can
is
you
not.
stand up and dress back? I want to see your height.
I am noticing my height is here.
What?
No, your height. How tall you are. I want to see your height, not your eyes.
Hey.
No, Apana. Height. Height.
Oh, I'm Simama ringi.
My
Your
lord.
height, yeah.
I wonder.
I am tearing simu yangu. I am so Simama ringi now, okay? I don't know Kisungu. I don't know Kisungu mingi. I don't
It's
know.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. Pauline.
Tell me.
I'm having a dick. Oh my God, help me. Kenya. You are 29 years old. Well, you look like a girl of 22. How many children do you have?
No children.
No children? Don't worry. If I give you a man, when he marry you, he raise your leg, you will give birth to him. You will give birth to children like a rabbit. You know rabbits have many children. Yeah. You'll be giving birth to her. Every year, to her. You have plenty children for him.
I don't want peace.
I don't know Kizungu. I'm speaking Kiswahili.
I know the man I will give you will understand your English. Don't worry.
Okay. Give me a man, no.
I must give you a man.
Yes,
Yeah.
give
I
me.
must
I
give
want
you a
to
man.
see her.
That is my job,
Yes.
is to give husband. I'm a husband giver, okay?
Yes.
If you come here, just call me husband giver. Ask anybody when you are looking for husband giver. Don't even tell them watermelon. They will tell you, oh, that is watermelon. I'm a husband giver. That is what they call me. Okay?
Yes, I'm listening. I'm listening now. So what you could know?
Do you have bad character?
Canada.
No.
Can you 20 now?
No,
20 now.
raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up.
Like this
Why did
one.
people in Madare, why did they open the hospital? Why did people
What's
in
wrong with
Madare
you?
open
Why
the
you
hospital gate?
commenting me? You are commenting me. I was so bad for you.
No, like it's like they have opened Madare gate and the nurses, they don't know that some people have escaped this morning. Because due to my observation, it's not clear anymore. What kind of a man do you want?
Man.
No,
Any
woman.
man. Any man. Any man for kuparia ring me. I am so kwenda ring now, kwenda ring nyumbani.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Hi guys, job well done. Our scarf is finished. Look at this. Look at the finishing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this scarf. Look at this. The scarf is over. Look at this. In case you want me to make for you one, put an order. Put an order. Put an order. Look at that. Look at this. Yeah? Look at this. Beautiful. Huh? Oh no. Oh no. Woo, 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 woo. Look at that. Look at that. Ebu cheki hiyo kazi. Kazi yangu maridadi. Kazi is super. Look at that scarf. Hey! Put your Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to support this channel. And I take this opportunity to say thank you very much for supporting us. For my returning subscribers, thank you very, very, very much. For new subscribers, karibuni sana. Bright Path Learning Kenya TV. For more learning tips, for more YouTube tips, and for more reaction videos. We love you and God bless you. We meet on the next one. Mwah!